Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Corey and Jared. We are down here on the lower Roanoke Delta. You might as well say the lower Roanoke Rivers, the middle Cache, and we are going something we've never done here on Blind Hog. We are going for some rockfish, some stripers, not strippers, stripers, and we are going to try to catch us some fish. So come on along, let's have some fun. We're hoping for a triple-digit day. It's kind of nasty, but hey, can't catch them on the couch and the fish are already wet. Woo! So give us a thumbs up, like the page, and let's have some fun. All right, so we've come along and looked. We have got some good marks. That's what we're looking for. So when you're going along and looking, see your lines like that? That's what we're looking for. That dark red there is a swim bladder. So that's what you're looking for on the sonar when you're kind of going through. Your trash just shows up as little tiny blue specks. We got bigger jig heads on, trying to get onto the bottom where they're at. Uh-oh, dang. I think I had a hit. Because I ain't hung, so that must have been a hit. Yeah. All right, y'all, so we have made a move. We are out here in the biggin water. We're gonna try to jig around some of these areas. There he goes. Y'all, no joke. Oh, there's a duck, right? I ain't sure what kind it is. It's the one with two wings. But we were on our way over here, and I'm not gonna tell you the spot. Actually, I can, because it's almost February and you won't be able to hunt them no way. But we're gonna come out here to the middle of the sound. We're in the middle of the Albemarle Sound now. And we saw, no joke, 1,000 ducks. Every bit, if not more, in 3 different groups coming across. They literally stretch from the bank as far as we could see across. I'm talking as thick. I ain't never seen them like that. That was amazing. They should be. Are you hungry or you got one? Sure.
Oh gosh, that was a fish.
That was a big fish.
Oh my God.
Big fish. That or you might have foul hooked him when you snatched up.
He finally moved.
We had a bite. We finally had a bite. Well, y'all, we had Jared hook up on something nice. We're gonna say it was a catfish, but we don't know. We saw the big shadow of it get up, but we thought he was hooked or hung on something, and he was a fish. So we did have a bite. We are not skunked. Hot dog, look at there. Daggone electric chicken. All right, I'm coming. Look at my man fighting. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are on the board. Let's get some good video of this. You have a glove? It works really well. That other one might have been a rock. Look at there, look at there. Way to go, brother. Let's get a picture for you, chunky. Doggone you, sucker. I'm getting schooled here, people. Oh, man. My man's got on some bulls. They're out away from that piling. Come on, boy. You got it. Look at it. Nice. Gotcha. Good job, dude. Way to go. Pretty. Yes, sir. Got it? Hot dog. My man is on again. Can't mess with Jared Snow. Good land. Good land. Holy smolies. Look at that fish. Oh. Bring it down some. Extend it out. There you go. Yeah. Heck yeah. I hit the wrong button. Gosh.
I'll get it back around.
No, you're fine.
Man, I'm feeling the fun.
There we go. Yes, sir. Finally. Thank you, Lord. I told you I'd give you praise. Yes, sir. That's a nice one. Finally, the rock has come back.
Oh, how about that?
How about that one? Sitting right there. Yes, sir. There we go. You ain't going nowhere now. Woo. Oh, it's in that pot. You don't care which pot. Either one.
Oh, dude, you got a code? Oh, we got that. There you go.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you. That's right.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day.
All right, y'all. So we have wrapping up today, coming in here to Mackey's Marina to get us a bite to eat for lunch. But man, we've had a great time. It took us a lot of riding. I don't know how far we've rode. We basically started this morning at would have been sunrise, 7 o'clock, and we're getting done right at lunchtime, and ended up, after a good, decent ride, caught some pretty good fish. I'm happy for my buddy. He outfished me today. I'm gonna tell you, if you can't be happy for a friend catching fish, they ain't your friend. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on along and join us on the next adventure. Don't forget to comment and share, and we appreciate you.